It is a complete misnomer that saturated fats are bad. In fact, our cell membrane needs saturated fats to maintain its structure, integrity, and fluidity. Without saturated fats, our cells become fragile. We develop cellular fragility syndrome, and this leads to onset of multiple metabolic health conditions, including type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular disease, right? And one of the greatest sources of saturated fats is, ghee, clarified butter. Now, ghee has numerous benefits. First is ghee has something called butyric acid, which can be synthesized by your gut microbiome into butyrate, which stabilizes your blood sugar level, which promotes satiety. Second, ghee has something called pentadeconic acid that promotes AMPK pathway, that suppresses mTOR, that suppresses JAK-STAT. So it is a great source for, promoting an improved health span, right? Third is, ghee is an excellent food, excellent source of, nutrients for our oral health. It can help overcome sore gums, ulcer, and even throat irritation, right? Ghee has, certain nutrients such as vitamin K2 and vitamin A, which helps in remineralizing the teeth, right? Ghee can promote, GABA production. It can help improve your cognitive health, right? Then ghee can also promote the activity of an enzyme called catalase. That catalase is actually helps in neutralizing, free radicals. It helps in converting hydrogen peroxide into water. So it helps in, reducing oxidative stress, right? Besides, ghee also has certain amino acids such as methionine and cysteine, which could be used, cysteine especially could be used to promote, to synthesize, glutathione. However, there is a catch here, right? So people who have, suboptimal bile acid metabolism, right, should avoid ghee or minimize its consumption. And people who have, suboptimal hydrogen sulfide production, they should avoid ghee because, the cysteine and methionine in the ghee can be metabolized by your oral and gut microbiome, and they could produce hydrogen sulfide, which could lead to bad breath and number of other digestive health conditions. So it is very important to understand how ghee interacts with your microbiome to determine whether it is good or bad for your biology right now.